Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Roji, your IP teachers. In regular class, we are discussing the Pandas data frame. We have already completed the Pandas series data and we have already started the data frame, that is two-dimensional Pandas data structures. Mainly different data structures of Python Pandas are series, data frame, and panel. We have already discussed the series data structures. Now we have already started the data frame. Means data frame is a two-dimensional data structures of Python pandas, where the data arranged in row and column. Means columns contain the different types of data. Means it is a heterogeneous data structures and data is stored in tabular format, row and column. There are so many ways for creating a data frame. Two or three functions for creating a data frame we have already discussed. Now we will discuss today that what are the other way for creating a data frame. Next, creating a data frame using the 2D dictionary means using the two-dimensional dictionary. How we create the data frame means there are the I have already discussed that dictionary means the data arranged in. It is a mapping data type where each pair data is separated by the comma operators, and there are the key and value means key mapped with the corresponding value. So means what are the way for creating a two-dimensional dictionary means we have already discussed the using the nested two-dimensional list means list, using the series. Now today we will discuss the what are the way for creating the dictionary means creating a data frame using the two-dimensional dictionary. Means there are the dictionaries named people, and people dictionary there are the value cells, and cells value in under the cells key there are another dictionary, and the dictionary means the value of that embedded dictionary is the value of that embedded dictionary is name, age and gender. Name, age and gender. Second key for the people dictionary is the marketing, and under the marketing there are the dictionary embedded between the marketing fee, that is name, neha, name, age, gender. Means there are the another dictionary that is the name, age and gender. And so this is a two-dimensional dictionary. People is a two-dimensional dictionary means there are the two key in the people that is sales and marketing. Under the sales section there are another dictionary, and the key is name, age and gender. Under the marketing there are one more dictionary and the name is name is marketing, and the marketing there are the another dictionary name, age and gender. So how we create the data frame using the two-dimensional dictionary. Now let's start the spider notebook for creating a data frame. So I am sharing the spider notebook to define the data frame. For using the pandas, so we have to use the pandas packages. means the pandas packages means the import pandas as PD. The pandas packages is a import pandas as PD, means these are the pandas packages. Now we are we are using the two-dimensional dictionary for creating the data frame. Means two-dimensional dictionary for creating the data frame. Means what are the two-dimensional dictionary? So import pandas as PD. Now here we are using the two-dimensional data frame. That is people's name of the data frame is people, and under the peoples they are the two key. So we use peoples and marketing. These are the two keys of people dictionary. Now we use data frame as df equals to pd dot data frame, and argument is people. Argument is people. Now next we use print print df print df. Name Neha, age 25, gender, the string data enclosed along with the single quotes. So if we will not enclose the string data along with the single quotes, that means it will give the error, that is invalid identifier. Means identifier means the name of variable, name of functions, name of operators. So here we use the single quotes to enclosing the string data. If we will not enclose the single quotes, means it will give the invalid identifier. So the two-dimensional dictionary is, name of the two-dimensional dictionary is people, and here the data enclosed along with the single quotes, that is the string value enclosed along with the single quotes. Yes, students. Now we print the program, execute the program. The two-dimensional dictionaries will be arranged in the tabular format, and key will be the sales and marketing. There are the two key, sales and marketing, and under the sales section again there are the column, that is name and age. Means name and age. Name, age, gender, age, name, genders, and the value will be the age, name, genders. Means the column uppercase and lowercase letters, both name, age, genders, name, age, and genders. So let's execute the program. And the value, there are the two key, sales and marketing, and the value will be the age, genders and name. So these are the way for creating a data frame using the two-dimensional dictionary. Now it can be created using a set of dictionary, means creating a data frame using set of dictionary means there are the so many dictionary. Suppose these are the dictionary, and by using the multiple dictionary we can create a dictionary two-dimensional data frame. So let's see the creating a data frame using the set of dictionary, means how we create a data frame using set of dictionary. Suppose there are two, there are uh, three dictionary, that is topper A, topper B and topper C and topper D. There are the three dictionary, topper A, B, C, D and D. And the value for the dictionary is roll name and marks. Now again we create a list having the three dictionary, topper A, topper B and topper C. Now we create a data frame using the list that is toppers. The name of the list is toppers, having topper A, topper B, topper C and topper D. Topper A, topper B, topper C and topper D are the separate dictionary. Now we create data frame pd dot data frames, and under the argument list we provide the toppers, that is the this value. Now we create print the value, that is top df, means top df means toppers data frame. So the output will be the, what will be the output? Then output will be the creating a data frame using a dictionary. So marks, name and roll, there are the three columns, and the data means the data for the four dictionary become the row of the data frame, and key of this dictionary become the column of a data frame. Okay students, in next class we will discuss the two or three more operations to create a data frame. So students, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.